Hi, I'm Gary, welcome to my channel and welcome to this look at the additions to the Revell range of civilian and military vehicles for 2025. First, let's have a look at cars. There are 5 new mould vehicles announced. First is the Lamborghini Revell, the first plug-in hybrid supercar produced by Lamborghini, modelled here in 1/24th scale. Next is the McLaren 750S, also in 1/24th scale, the last McLaren supercar to be powered solely by internal combustion. At 1/25th scale, there is a new kit of the Chevrolet Corvette C8 Coupe, also a new kit of the 71 Ford Mustang Boss 351. In the click format, there's a new Audi RS e-tron in 1/24th scale, a new Fendt 728 Vario tractor, also at 1/24th scale, and at 1/25th scale, a click-together 2024 Ford Mustang GT. There are just 2 kits updated with new parts this year. There's an update to the Volkswagen Corrado front-wheel drive hatchback under a 35th anniversary badge. Not sure why, as the car was produced from 1988 to 1995. There is also a new parts reissue of the 1970 Shelby GT 500. Plenty of your favourite kits are being reissued. In the largest scale, 1/16th, there's the reissue of the BMW Isetta 250 microcar and the Volkswagen T1 panel van. Leading off reissues in 1/24th scale are the 50th anniversary kit of the Porsche 911 Turbo and the 70th anniversary Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR, both of which are gift sets with glue, paints and paintbrush. Also returning in 1/24th scale are the Bugatti EB110, the BMW M3 in the E30 body, the 1966 Shelby GT350R as driven by Stirling Moss, and at the other end of the motoring scale, the Land Rover Series 3 Commercial. In 1/32nd scale, there are some race cars, the Mercedes-Benz SSKL, the 1974 Martini Porsche 917 Series 10, the Surtees TS1603, and the revolutionary Tyrrell P342 6-wheeled Formula 1 car, all of these derived from Matchbox moulds. 2 trucks also reappear, the Schlingmann LF 2016 fire appliance in 1/24th scale, and the Iron Maiden tour truck in 1/32nd scale. There are no entirely new mould kits this year in military vehicles, but some interesting additions to the range. Reappearing with new parts are the German Leopard 1A1 as a gift set, the Leopard 2A6M Plus and the Leopard 2A7A1, all in 1/35th scale. In 1/72nd scale is the Leopard 2A7V, the M109A2 self-propelled howitzer, and the GTK Boxer ambulance. And from the Second World War is the Flak Panzer IV Möbelwagen and the SWS with Flak 43 gun and an ammunition trailer. Straightforward reissues include the MAN 10-ton 8x8 truck in 1/35th scale, a special boxing of the Leopard's 2A6A2 in 1/35th to celebrate the 70th anniversary of the Bundeswehr, and in 1/76th scale the M19 tank transporter, this one again from an older Matchbox mould. The one interesting addition is the 1/35th M1097A2 Humvee. Looking at the temporary box art, this looks a lot like the ICM kit rather than Revell's previous rebox of the 1987 Italeri kit. That's it for now. Do check out the other videos about the Revell range launches on my channel. Thanks so much for watching and goodbye.